That's why we don't let him have energy drinks after 3 p.m.
Well, this sucks.
What you working on there, Austin?
I put the...
Good morning from National Trail Raceway here in Hebron, Ohio. It's Saturday, which means it is race day with 2 funny cars and a top fuel car. Ain't nobody ever accused us of being smart. Oh boy. There's going to be so much work today, but it's going to be so much fun. Both me and Dad are qualified for the main field of funny cars, and then the dragster is qualified for the little Chicago style shootout they're gonna do this afternoon. So hopefully he can do pretty good with that. And that car is pretty much done. It needs the rods torqued and oil put in it and the valves adjusted. This car, Austin needs to finish building a blower, and then it can be put together. So very cool. So that car's 10 minutes away from being ready to start, needs the rods torqued and the valve covers put on. This car is ready to go other than needing a clutch. So I have been given a promotion and I'm the clutch guy now. So I'm gonna get started on tearing this thing apart, I guess. What you working on in here, Mr. Tyler?
So kind of building a clutch pack in the dark. I don't know what Dad put in the car originally when you guys were in Texas for this event. So what I did is I took your second qualifying run, just because it's the only one I found, from Chaos, well, a little over a month ago, and then I found something else. Oh, I took the measurements of what was in there. Basically just add everything together before the thing ran. Tried to get numbers similar to it, and then we put a couple new discs from DSR. We just did a nifty little trade for some nice floaters. And now I am praying that this thing goes down the track and gets to the stripe first.
Sweet.
But, yeah, there's a lot of math. One of those things that you don't realize how smart you are until you do it. She calls you an idiot.
Well, thanks for working on it.
Of course, buddy. Better win.
That's the goal so far. Keys are in this one. Keys are almost in this one. We're finishing putting the clutch back in. Dad's going in with the pack right about now, Mr. Clutch Guy Terry, and she's on the charger, and keys are in this one as soon as the clutch is back in it. So things are going good, just trying to make sure we're on top of everything and doing our job. We just warmed up Dad's car, we're fixing to warm up my car, and I still got the coolest job on the planet. Alright, we're pushing the car out. First round of professional competition in a Nitro Funny car. This is cool.
Alright, that's good. Haddock rolled in a little bit deep and goes red because of it. Way over there by the center line, and now way over there by the wall.
He tagged the wall. I saw him hit it. Yeah, he bounced her off there, so. Trying a little too hard.
That sucked. I screwed up. I was being drawn through the beams. I wasn't on the brakes hard enough, and then I stayed in it way too long and rubbed the wall a little bit with the header. The car's fine. I just caved in a header a little bit. I feel like an idiot, and my shoulder can't hardly move, but it's all right. We're up with Dad's car now. Alright, so that service went real good. What happened is Creasy hit the wall down at the top end, so it was ruled that we ended up winning the race, and so God gave us a gift on that one, and so we did everything we could in the service to make sure that we didn't waste it. On my run, the idle was too high, and it was pulling me through the beams. That's why I dropped the second beam and I red lit. So not ideal. Hopefully won't do that again. And then smacking the wall at the top end, barely grazed it. I was able to keep it off from being too bad, just pushed in the headers a little bit. And it's part of learning to be a driver, and apparently I forgot how to drive when that happened. So it's all right, it happens, and Rubbin's racing. So we're up here in the lanes for Dad's car, and time to do some racing.
Terry Haddock and his crew have had a busy weekend. Semifinals still on tap for you and your team. How satisfied are you to have been gifted a berth into the semifinals?
You know, we were blessed to get that. We didn't earn it, and this is racing, and we'll take a little bit of luck any day you give it to you, because I've had more bad luck days than good days.
Now, I do have to ask you, your son McKailen, on his run, what kind of feedback did you give to him after the completion of that run?
Well, we haven't had a real in-depth talk about it yet. I'm glad he's okay and nobody got hurt. He did a good job. He just screwed up at the end, but learning this is hard. This is real hard, and it takes years to get good at it. And he's going to make more mistakes. That one, it could have been worse, you know, but he didn't do too bad. He scuffed a header, and we'll make him buy a header. Make him work harder, but he learned, and you know, every time when you go out and run one of these cars, whether it goes good or bad, you learn something. He'll learn more as a driver what you can and can't get away with. Thankfully, he didn't get hurt, and I don't know. I'm glad he's okay.
Experience is king in this sport. Terry Haddock, best of luck as he now shifts his attention to his ride, his car, and his team. Thanks, guys.
Candles lit on both sides, way over by the wall. I'm not sure that Terry didn't tag the wall there in the far lane, in the right-hand lane. And Dell will get the win here, 408, 318 miles per hour.
Hey everybody, I just wanted to say thank you for everybody's hard work. It was a good weekend. I know I threw a lot of extra at you with the extra car and the extra stuff, but I'm really proud of you all. It was good to go up there and we made them earn it. I'm sorry we didn't win that one, but we made them earn it. I think we got our car back where it belongs. And thank you, Keith, for being a sponsor and a friend and helping us do this. And without all the people, this stops. So just thank you all so much. I love racing with you all. Thank you.
It's a serious question, sitting here wondering how I end a video like that. Obviously, I didn't end the video at the track, and it's hard to put into words everything that I think about last weekend in Columbus. That weekend was such a massive, massive blessing, from all the people that we're surrounded by to the opportunities that we have and just the cool stuff that God allows us to do on a daily basis. And what happened there, semis, we were beating Dell until a head gasket let go on that run and slowed us down. I don't even remember what we ran, but we were beating Dell. The video shows it, and I'm getting really tired of facing Del Worsham in the semis in Columbus. So let's not be doing that anymore. As for my little run-in with the wall, it felt a lot worse on the inside than it was. And that's just part of learning to be a driver. First thing that Dad said to me is, "Are you okay?" And part of being a driver. It's part of learning. People don't understand how hard these cars are to drive, and it's an experience thing. Wisdom's the friend of experience. I keep telling one of my friends that, and Dad said it so much to me recently that I absolutely hated it, but now I'm starting to see the wisdom in it. So got that going for me. I just got to say, I wake up every morning and I thank God for the opportunities that he's given me. I have the coolest job on the planet. We get to travel around the country and work on race cars and meet amazing people, and it's such a blessing. What we did this weekend is incredible. 7 runs with 3 cars in 2 days with enough crew for maybe 1.5 cars. It's absolutely amazing. Our guys work so incredibly hard, and I just got to say thank you to all of them. Everybody who is there helping us, all the sponsors that make this happen. I'm so incredibly blessed. We're so incredibly blessed to do this, and I can't wait to do it again. So, Reading videos coming out soon, and then in a couple of weeks, we will be back at the IHRA for the Dragway 42 event in West Salem, Ohio, and then got a match race in Kansas City and the national event in Dallas. So, we've got an exciting couple of weeks coming up. I'm home trying to catch some rest before all of that because it's going to be busy, and I'm going to be running off of monsters. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you to everybody who's a part of this, whether you're just watching online or you're working your tail off in the pit. I appreciate all of you, and thank God for this opportunity. Never give up.